Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Ekta God with my next one video for the biology. In this video, I am going to discuss about the events in sexual reproduction. Let's begin about it. As in my previous video, I explained about the asexual reproduction and the sexual reproduction. Here we are going to discuss about the events in sexual reproduction. As you all know about all the organisms, those are living. They are having the different structures, but still they have the similarity in the processes. So here sexual reproduction is also showing the difference in the structure, but many of the similarities in the plants and in the animals also. As the events of sexual reproduction, though elaborate and complex, follow a regular sequence, चाहे वो प्लांट्स हो या एनिमल हो, उनमें सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन का एक टफ और कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रोसीजर होता है, लेकिन वो एक रेगुलर सीक्वेंस में होगा. चाहे वो बहुत छोटा प्लांट है या बहुत बड़ा ट्री है, बहुत छोटा सा एनिमल है या कोई बहुत बड़ा एनिमल है, तो वहाँ पर आपको सिमिलरिटी मिलेगी. सो यू कैन अंडरलाइन दिस लाइन. एज यू नो वेरी वेल अबाउट द सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन, it completes in about 3 processes. One is the fusion of the male and female gametes, that is called the fertilization. Another one is the formation of zygote, which can be produced after the fertilization, and then the development of the zygote, that is known as embryogenesis. So here are the 3 conditions. First is the fertilization, second is the formation of zygote, third is the embryogenesis. You can underline or you can write in the 3 points. So now we have divided these 3 stages into the 3 events. First is the pre-fertilization, second is fertilization, and third is the post-fertilization event. So you can underline here, and if you are making your notes, then in the notes you can write first pre-fertilization, second fertilization, and third post-fertilization event. So next is the pre-fertilization event. So बच्चों, what is the meaning of pre-fertilization? Pre-fertilization is that event which will complete before the process of the fertilization. That means before the fusion of the gametes it will happen. And it is also of 2 types. One is the gametogenesis and another one is the gamete transfer. So what is gametogenesis? As gametogenesis, it's telling its meaning with its own word. Gameto means gametes, genesis means generate hona. So gametogenesis refers to the process of formation of 2 type of gametes. And as you know very well, 2 type of gametes means male and female gametes. Now learn about the new term haploid cells. As gamete is a male gamete, either the female gamete. So these are the single kinds of cells. Such kind of cells are known as haploid cells. So you must write it. Gametes are of 2 types. One is the isogametes and another one is the heterogametes. As you can see here, isogametes of cladophora. What is the cladophora? Cladophora is a kind of alga. अब यहाँ पर आप इनके gametes को देख रहे हो, दोनों एक ही जैसे दिखाई दे रहे हैं. Both are identical to each other. तो इस तरह की जहाँ पर भी कंडीशन होगी वो isogametes कहलाएंगे, जहाँ पर आपको सिमिलरिटी दिखाई दे रही है. Now you can see another one gamete. Fucus is also a kind of alga. But here you can see the difference between the gametes. One gamete is 2 hues and another one, that is little one, looking like a butterfly or the insect. So that is the another kind of gamete. So here you can see that 2 gametes are totally different from each other. So such kind of gametes are known as heterogametes. Now see the next one. That is the heterogametes of Homo sapiens. Who are the Homo sapiens? Homo sapiens are the human beings. Who are the human beings? We are the human beings. So In male, as ovum is present, so that huge size is the female gamete, which is known as ovum or the ova, and another one thread-like structures are the male gametes and they are known as the sperms. सो आपको यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छे से समझ आ गया होगा कि गैमेटोजेनेसिस दो तरह के होते हैं, आइसोगैमीट्स एंड हेट्रोगैमीट्स. नाउ हियर यू कैन अंडरलाइन द डेफिनेशन ऑफ आइसोगैमीट्स or you can note down in your notebook. In some algae, the two gametes are so similar in appearance that it is not possible to categorize them into male and female gametes. They are hence called homogametes or the isogametes. Now next definition, you will note down about the heterogametes. Heterogametes, those are distinct morphologically. Here you can underline this. In a majority of sexually reproducing organisms, the gamete produced are of two morphologically distinct type. They are known as heterogametes. Now here you have to learn one thing. If we are having the different kind of structures, अभी मैंने बताया ना कि मेल गैमीट और फीमेल गैमीट में इतना ज़्यादा अंतर है कि फीमेल गैमीट ह्यूज इन साइज एंड मेल गैमीट इधर कैन बी इन द लिटिल शेप और स्ट्रक्चर or it can be a thread-like structure. So in such organisms, the male gamete is called the antherozoite or sperm and the female gamete is called the egg or ovum. It was about the events in sexual reproduction. Just be with me. Have a nice day. Have a happy day. Bye bye.